Hello, this video is going to walk you through how to create an NLN account, and this is what we need to do in order to get scheduled for a NEX exam or a NACE exam. So please remember, the NEX exam is the entrance exam for our LPN program. The NACE exam is our entrance exam for the RN program. So what you're going to do is you need to go to the website. You can simply search nln.org assessment and it will take you to this website you see right here. We will then click log into the student testing website. Once you see this page, you need to click sign up in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to simply just fill out your name, phone number, your email. So this email will also be your username when you log in on test date. Same with your password. This account you're creating, I would write this down somewhere or save it in your phone so you can make sure you have it on test day. Once you have your email and password in there, you're going to select institution. Simply just type in Morrilton, and then you will click University of Arkansas Community College at Morrilton. Please triple check this so we can make sure your account is affiliated with our testing center. Then you'll click sign up. I'm going to go over and log in to an account I already have created to show you guys what it looks like once you get in there. So sign in. So once you're signed in, you'll see at the top it says store. Click store, and then we're going to search for either the NEX exam or the NACE. So I'm going to type in NEX, and once you do that, you can see all of these different sessions. So you'll want to find a session that works for you. You can see the dates to the left, and you'll see the time to the right. So please pay attention to what day of the week that is and make sure that works for you before we add it to our cart. So I will just click learn more. Once you click learn more, you'll be able to hit add to cart. You can continue shopping or you can view cart. So we'll go ahead and view cart since we're only taking one exam. Once you go to view cart, you will proceed to checkout, and that is where you will enter in your credit card information and then place your order. So once your order is placed, this is affiliated with our testing center, so we will see it on our end. So just show up on that test date and time, and please have a photo ID with you and know your login information. For any other questions, feel free to call us at 501-977-2060. But after you've placed your order, you should be all ready to go to show up on your test date. Have a great day.